Check the Phantom wallet, $1.2 million all from launching meme coins. If you are not doing this yet, you are sleeping on real money. I'll show you exactly how I did it step by step, so make sure to keep watching. I used to chase meme coins like everyone else, buying dips, timing pumps, hoping not to get rugged. It was chaos, but then I realized the real money isn't in trading. It's in launching. When you're the one creating the coin, you control the entry, the hype, and the profits. It's repeatable, it's scalable, and that's exactly how I flipped my entire strategy. And by launching meme coins, you have nothing to lose because all you have to do is create the coins and wait for buyers, and then exit when you want. So if you're still just buying meme coins, you are playing the wrong game. So in today's video, I'm going to show you guys exactly how to create and launch your own meme coin without gatekeeping, how to get organic buyers inside your coin and market it, for free by the way, and then cash out as you can see here. But before I get started, I just want to be clear that this video is for educational and entertainment purposes only, so please don't copy me, cap! Pump.Fun for launching coins is overcrowded and outdated. Hundreds of tokens drop every hour. You launch a coin there, good luck getting seen. Worse, you're stuck behind a bonding curve, waiting for random buys just to graduate. Now here's why I use create tokens.fun to launch coins. Your token skips the curve completely and gets instantly graduated onto Raydium. That means it's instantly tradable, visible on every scanner, and accessible to real buyers. I've done this over and over, and my coins launch cleaner, pump faster, and hit better market caps. So please, if you're going to launch a coin, please launch on Raydium using create tokens.fun and stop using Pump.Fun. Now when it comes to launching your meme coin, you've got two clear ways. First, you can build one from scratch. You just plug in your token name, pick a symbol, upload a wild image, and boom, that coin becomes real. Customize every detail and keep it original. I would highly recommend to try to find a narrative on X or on some other social media platform. But my favorite move? It's copying winners. And the site makes it stupid easy. There's a tab called Copy Trending Coins, and it's loaded with hand-picked coins that are already pumping on Pump.Fun. You don't need to reinvent anything, you just pick a proven concept and list it onto Raydium. You're basically front-running buyers with something you already know works. It's fast, it's repeatable, and most importantly, it's profitable. That's how I've been flipping coins daily. No stress, no guesswork. But anyways, I'm gonna stop yapping and let's launch a coin and make some money. So I'm gonna copy a coin. Okay, the sideline coin just caught my attention. It has a last buy 5 seconds ago, which means that the coin is alive, and a $23,000 market cap alongside 50 replies. So I'm gonna create coin. Your phantom should pop up. Okay, you will get a warning. It's completely normal. Okay, it's fine. Just proceed anyway. Confirm, I understand, confirm. And then the coin should be copied and created. Boom. Now if I go on SoScan, you can see that it's minted on chain. So now it's time to create a liquidity pool. Now here it is, pretty simple. We're just gonna make the coin tradable on the Raydium liquidity pool chain. So here's like your coin, here's like your balance. Under amount token A, hit 90%. That's gonna drop 900 million coins into the pool. For the amount token B, you can put anywhere from 0.3 to 1 SOL. I'm gonna put 0.4 SOL, but this essentially is the first initial buy inside your own coin. You are the first buyer, okay? So you are not losing this money. You will get it back later after you remove the liquidity. And now click on create pool. Your phantom should pop up. Yes, sir. Oh, hello. And then click on confirm. And just like that, just click on refresh after. And if you scroll down, yes, sir, the liquidity popped up. As you guys can see, it is live on the blockchain. Now, as you guys can see, we're up $1. But if you click refresh, now we're up $156, so it is going up. We are getting buys by the moment. Now click on view on Photon. Okay, the coin is live. As you guys can see on screen, the coin is at a 15k market cap. It is really volatile. 12k volume. Okay, it is really active. We're getting a bunch of sales now. No, the coin might dump. Come on. Go higher. Let's go. Go higher. Let's go. We are getting buys. Let's fucking go. Okay, guys, we have to stay really calm and collective as meme coin devs, okay? The money can be really good and really satisfying to see come in, but we have to stay really fucking calm and just focus. And by the way, the market cap is kind of useless. We have to be looking at the liquidity, the transactions, and not the volume. Those are the most important metrics. Come on. Okay, why is it not moving anymore? No way. No, we're getting sales. No. Oh shit, it dipped a lot. We're at 10k. If I go check my profits, okay, come back to tokens.fun. After that, click on refresh to check your profits. Okay, we're up $1,700 off this coin with a 10k market cap. It's not bad, bro, but I'm gonna give this coin around 20 minutes and I'm gonna be right back to see where it's at. Okay, guys, I'm back, and as you guys can see, I'm really fucking happy because the coin shot up at $26,000. Now when we were gone, it went down to like 10k right here, around here. Oh my god, it's still going up fucking high. So many people are buying in. Okay, Yo, I genuinely believe this coin could go to like 50k, 100k in the next couple of days. The volume is at $176,000, $23,000 market cap within like around 25-30 minutes. It's actually fucking insane. But now it's time to take out some profit, so come back to tokens.fun. After that, we're gonna click on refresh. Okay, we're up $2,400. Let's fucking go. Now, okay, it makes sense. $26,000 market cap, $2,400. It should have been more than that, but I sent a bit of supply to one of my friends. But yeah, now to remove the liquidity, click on the mouse button. And here you can choose the percentage of the liquidity that you want to remove. If you do 100%, you're basically walking away with 2.4 bands in your pocket. But if you do like 50%, that's 1.2 thousand. Now, it all depends on your greed and if you believe in the project. I personally believe it can go really high in the future. So I'm going to remove around 30%, you know, so, come on, 30%, bro. Okay, whatever. 32%. Remove liquidity. Your phantom should pop up. And as you guys can see here, we're going to receive 4 SO in our wallet directly. Now click on confirm real quick. And boom, we just removed the liquidity. If you want to remove the rest, just do it again. And then if I open my phantom wallet, yes sir, we received the money. 4 SO is in my wallet.